Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video for you because I am reviewing a PR box that I recently got, and it is by Fantasy Appeals. I will leave all of their information in my description below, so go check them out, support them, and see what they have because they have an Instagram, they have a website where you can get their product. They are a new beauty brand and they are vegan and cruelty free, and they have sent me 3 items, so let's get into it. First of all, how sweet is this? She sent me a thank you card. This is so adorable and sent me such a sweet message, and I'm just so happy for this brand, and you know, who doesn't love to support up and coming business. So the items that she sent me is a palette, and I just love the packaging. It is marble. I love all things marble. So her palette is called Youthful Perspective, and these are the beautiful colors in this palette. So the first one is called Nickel to a Dime, and it looks more like a shimmery, coppery brown color. Ooh, it feels good. Ooh, that is beautiful. It is matching my top very well, and I did not plan that. All right, so let's go into Young Love. This is such a shocking, loud, hot pink color. It's beautiful. Yes! Oh, that is so nice. One down here is Crushin' on You. I love the names. Oh, that is beautiful. And the last one is Foreshadow. I love the way these feel. They feel pigmented, if that makes sense. They feel creamy. Especially that last one. Oh, I love this. They are all so pretty. Like the last one is just like a color I feel like I can use every single day. It is gorgeous. There is also a lip gloss that she gave me, and I believe it's called Stasie. Look how pretty that is. I like the clear handle. So it is a very light, like almost sheer gloss, but I do believe her website says that it is buildable. I'm gonna actually try that on right now. I do have a lip gloss on. I have a feeling it's gonna end up looking the same. It smells really good. What does that smell like? So it's definitely going on clear on my lips, but it's definitely buildable. I feel like it's something you could just take with you all the time, or you can use it as a topper for another lip gloss that you want it to be more glossy. The last item I have are these lashes, and they're called For Keeps. Her packaging is just gorgeous. Like the box has a very velvety feel, and then it has like that shimmery metallic letters, and yeah, everything feels nice and sturdy. It's magnetic. I mean, how beautiful is this lash? I really can't wait to wear it. I love it when I get lashes. I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited. Okay, so, and it has a mirror. I mean, you know me, I love products that have a mirror. That is definitely a double plus. So all of this stuff was sent to me for free, but all of my opinion is honest, and I mean, I never want to tell you guys anything that isn't true, but so far I'm liking what I see. So let's just go ahead and apply all this, and I can't wait to see how it's gonna look. I'm excited. The pink does stain a bit, but then again, that's most pinks anyways. They usually do stain. All right. I'm trying to decide what I want to do. If you want to know how I put this base together, I will have that video out soon. If I already have it, I will leave a link to it up here. Please go check it out. I'm gonna try to use every color she has in here because they are all so beautiful. I'm gonna take this super fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go into Foreshadow and kind of use it as a transition. I've already set my lid, as you can see. Everything is ready to go. It does have a little bit of kickback, which I'm not really, it's not too bad, you know? But I feel like I got way too much powder on here. It already feels very pigmented. So let me just tap some of that off. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use that as a transition color. She is pigmented. I'm taking that closer to my brows, like a little bit higher than where my crease is. Oh my gosh, look how pigmented that is. So next I'm gonna go into Crushin' on You, and I'm gonna take that into the inner corner, not completely to inner, but like inner corner to like halfway. That is such a sweet color. It's so sweet. So I'm really packing that on. You don't want to leave that space there. You want to kind of like blend that into your crease. Guys, I am packing this on and I don't see any fallout. Now I'm going to go into Young Love with a more dense brush because I'm going to be packing that too. Ooh, oh my gosh. Go from halfway through to the end. Pack, pack, pack. And you know, if there is fallout, which I don't see any, it would make sense because I'm literally packing it on to my brush. So I am patting it, not tapping it, and packing it. I brought it in a little bit more. I'm gonna go back into that brush that I used for the brown. And as you can see, it's very, very spotty-ish, meaning like I did that on purpose. And I just want to blend that out. I wasn't really bothered about blending it right now. Now I can just blend it. And it is blending beautifully. Look at that. Look at that. I'm just concentrating a little bit at the end. So when I did go over the hot pink, the second pink that I used, it did fade a little bit, which is exactly what I want right here. What I'm gonna do is take a little bit more of that hot pink and build it up. So it's really good to pack it because then you can build it up more. And then I can just kind of fade it away again. But I can build it up very well. I'm gonna go back into that pink Crushing on You, the lighter pink. And I'm going to take a little bit so that it doesn't get lost with that other hot pink, which I don't think it is. And then whatever's left on my brush, I'm gonna lightly brush it over that hot pink so I can just blend it together. Guys, all that packing, and I felt a little bit of fallout here and nothing over here. I mean, hello, that's amazing. Okay, now just to blend everything a little better on the top, I'm just going to take that brush that I used for the brown. Again, I'm just going to blend, and I'm just going to clean it just a little bit, just brush it on some tissue or something. And then I'm going to go back into Foreshadow, which was that brown color, and go into my crease. Okay, I really, really like that. Ooh, I'm so happy. It's so pretty. Okay. Sorry, before I get overly excited. Now we have one more color left, which was Nickel to Dime, this nice shimmery one that was like basically my shirt color. So I'm gonna take that, and I feel like I'm packing on so much. It's a very creamy shadow. And I'm gonna go into my inner corners and just brighten that, give it a little bit of a shimmer. Oh, this is so pretty, you guys. And basically kind of take that into my inner corner. For the bottom lid, I'm going to go into Foreshadow and just basically line my bottom lid with that. Alright, so I'm going to go back into the color that I used for my inner corners, and I'm just going to bring a little bit down, just a little bit, on the bottom lid. Alright, so my eyeshadow is all done. I'm so happy with it. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my lid, and then we can go and put the lashes on. Alright, so I finished putting mascara on my top and bottom lashes. So for my top lashes, I did use the Essence Lash Princess, and then for my bottom lashes, I used the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So I'm going to take the NYX Wonder Pencil in medium and just lightly line, and I feel like that'll, you know, like I always say, open up my eyes a little bit more. Okay, now it's time for the lashes, and these lashes are called For Keeps, like I said, and I'm so excited. I always like to take off the little bit of excess glue that is on the lashes from the packaging, and just be very careful doing that. So I'm going to use the dual adhesive, and this is, I have the black and the clear. I'm going to go in with the clear. Ooh, these are gorgeous. Alright, I'm just going to take my liner and just go over my band just to cover any glue if anything is seen. These are so pretty. I mean, look at them, they're so pretty. They feel so pretty. All right, let me finish up my lips. I'm actually going to take this off. It did stay very hydrated actually. And I'm just gonna put some pink lips on. And my favorite lip liner right now is the NYX color in brown. I'm gonna go into this Essence lipstick in Cool Nude. And then I'm gonna go into that lip gloss. Pretty. Okay, it's time for a review, but first, as far as this look, it turned out great. Okay, so here's my review. I love everything. That is, honestly, in a nutshell, I love everything. Like this palette, I wish it just had more colors and it was bigger because, I mean, whatever formula is used for this, it was beautiful. So I just want more of this. I just want more of this in so many different colors. It is so creamy, it is so pigmented. It didn't give me any trouble and I really didn't have to work too hard. It was just a seamless look. I mean, this look just came out of nowhere. I mean, I just kind of like went, oh, maybe I can put this and this together, but it turned out so nice and I love it. I love the pigmentation, especially for like a pink. I didn't have to work so hard for it to show up, which is amazing. And so yeah, I'm very, very happy with this, guys. If you can get your hands on this, definitely get your hands on it. The colors are so pretty and there are so many other looks you can do with this, and I'm definitely going to do more looks. I might put it on my Instagram, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And the lashes, how cute are these? They are so darn cute. They're so big and fluttery and I love lashes like that. And I feel like they just go really well with this look. I'm in love, and they weren't hard to put on. They weren't too heavy or anything and too flimsy or anything like that. I really like them. And as far as the lip gloss, I like it. I feel like it's like an everyday lip gloss and it stayed hydrated. It didn't kind of fade, but I will try to wear it for a while and let you guys know, maybe in an Instagram story or something. But yeah, I really like this look. I am in love. I am in love. So guys, check out Fantasy Appeals. I think she is doing something great here. Her products are amazing. I just hope she grows even more. This is my honest opinion. I am very like happy with the results. I really like it. And yeah, I can't wait to see what else she has. So she does have lash tools on her site. She also has a beauty sponge, so I'm kind of excited to see how those are. And she has many more lashes. And yeah, I just want her to come out with more stuff because she's doing something great. I really like it. Let me know in the comments if you guys like how everything turned out and if it's something that you guys would definitely try. I will leave all the prices and everything in my description so you guys can go and check that out as well. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye. I'm so happy. I don't know what this was, but I'm just so happy. It looks like a butterfly.